In this question, you're asked to construct a stem and leaf plot for the data given to you. You're given the stems, they're already filled in for you, and so your job is just to fill in the leaves. When you're dealing really with any kind of data, sometimes it just can be helpful to understand what your minimum and value and your maximum value are. I see a 5 looks like the smallest, 73 looks like the largest. And I just want to verify, yeah, my stems go up to 7, so this sort of is set up okay. If the stems were not set up for you, then you would have to decide what the stems are going to be and what your leaves are going to be. In general, the leaves represent the last significant digit. And in our case, we have 2-digit numbers. They're all 2-digit numbers. So the stem is going to represent the 10th digit in our data. And then the leaves are actually just the numbers that are in the one place. So let's start with 16. With 16, the number 16, that's a stem of 1, so that goes here, and my leaf is 6. I'm actually going to write these over here right now because we have to enter our leaves in ascending order. That means smallest to largest. And we're also asked to do it without spaces between them. Sometimes you'll see commas in between each of the data points in the leaves. Sometimes you'll see, let's see, we talked about spaces, leaves, and no spaces in this case. So we have to keep that in mind when we enter our answers. Now I'm going to write them. You're obviously going to be typing them in here. And so, yeah, so we're just going to go and start filling in more of these data. So I did the 16. Now I'm going to do the 25. So that means a stem of 2 and a leaf of 5. 24, a stem of 2 and a leaf of 4. Stem of, for 19, a stem of 1 and a leaf of 9. I'm going to do 2 more and then I'm just going to go fill in this data table for us. So 33, a stem of 3, a leaf of 3. 25, a stem of 2 and a leaf of 5. Now that I have the table filled in, there are a few things we want to look at. First of all, I don't have the table filled in. I have this is sort of my scratch work over here, right? This is my scratch work because I haven't actually entered my data into the table. The reason for that is my leaves have to be in ascending order. So this one's easy. I would type in, but I'm going to write it here. I have a 5. For 1, this means this 6 and 9 means I have a 16 and a 19 in my data, right? 16 right here, 19 right here. So I'm going to write a 6 and the 9 right next to it. For the 20s, all of these right here, those are the numbers 25, 24, 25, 26, 28. These have to be put in order, smallest to largest. So I'm just going to do this by eye. I see a 4. I see 2 5s. I need to put them both because they each represent different scores of 25. 5, 4, 5, and a 6 and an 8. And the same thing for the 3s. I see 2 3s. Notice no spaces. I see 2 4s. No commas, nothing between the values in my leaves. 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 7. For my 4s, I see a 46, a 42. Oh dear, no, that's wrong. We're trying to go in order here. Okay, so I'm going to start. I have first a 40, then I have a 2. I see 2 5s. So I did my 0, I did my 2, I did my 2 5s. I have 2 6s. And a 9. I have nothing in the 50s, nothing in the 60s, and I have 1 3 here. And that's your stem and leaf plot.